Hello everyone from Elif's Kitchen. Today, I would like to share with you one of Hatay's famous flavors. Pan-cooked spicy flatbread with a tandoor-like taste. Let's add 2 cups of warm water into a mixing bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of instant yeast and 1 tablespoon of sugar and mix. I initially added 3 cups of flour. I will add the remaining flour gradually. Add about 1 teaspoon of salt and start kneading by gradually adding more flour. I added a total of 5.5 cups of flour. As you can see in the video, the dough should be soft and not stick to your hands. Cover it and let it rise in a warm place for about half an hour to 1 hour. Meanwhile, let's prepare the filling for our spicy flatbread. Take 3 heaping tablespoons of pepper paste into a mixing bowl. If you like it spicy, you can use hot pepper paste. It fits perfectly. Add 1 finely chopped onion. Add a few sprigs of finely chopped parsley. Add 1 cup of cottage cheese or curd cheese. I used cottage cheese. Let's add the essential spices for our spicy bread. 1 teaspoon of coriander, 1 teaspoon of fennel, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and 1 teaspoon each of oregano and chili flakes. 1 teaspoon of nigella seeds. I also toasted about 1 teacup of raw sesame seeds and added them. You can also use pre-toasted sesame seeds if you prefer. Initially, I added 1 teacup of olive oil and will add more if needed. Mix the filling well, crumbling the cottage cheese with your hand. I thought the oil was a bit low, so I added another half teacup of olive oil, using a total of 1.5 teacups. Our filling is ready. Let's deflate the risen dough and place it on the counter. Knead it well again. Sprinkle some flour and divide the dough into pieces. I divided it into 16 equal pieces. Place the dough balls onto a floured flat plate. Cover them with a plastic bag or cloth to prevent them from drying out. No need to rest them. Let's roll the dough into the size of a dessert plate using a rolling pin. Lightly sprinkle flour on the counter to prevent sticking. Each time we use the filling, mix it well and spread about 1.5 tablespoons onto the dough. Spread it evenly with a spoon. You can also spread it with your hand if that's easier for you. Then, place the spicy flatbread onto a preheated non-stick pan. Place the spicy flatbread onto the pan. Cover the pan and cook over low to medium heat for about 1 to 2 minutes. Cook with the lid closed. Then remove the lid and occasionally check the bottom of the flatbread. Continue cooking until the bottom is golden. Continue cooking without covering. Once the bottom is golden, remove the spicy flatbread onto a plate. And continue preparing and cooking the remaining spicy flatbreads in the same way. As you can see in the video, the cooked spicy flatbreads are ready to serve. I'm sure once you try it, with its finger-licking deliciousness, it will be one of the recipes you'll want to make over and over. Let's serve our spicy flatbread while it's still hot. especially those who try it. I look forward to your comments. Thank you for watching.